How to read the market using just three simple concepts. First, the volume profile. The volume profile shows you everything ICT tried to, but it uses data and not conspiracy theory. It shows you where the most trading happened in a given period. It's often used on a day or a week, and this gives you tons of information. On a volume profile, you'll see that there is a shaded area. And this shaded area shows where 70% of the volume was traded, and this is what we call the value area. Its high becomes the value area high, and the low is the value area low. And also, you'll have a point of control where the most volume was traded, often marked using a red line. Now, all of these levels will act as key levels you can use throughout the entire trading day, but knowing the levels isn't enough. You need to know how to read them. And this is where the next concept, acceptance and rejection, comes in. If price breaks above the value area high and stays there, that is acceptance. Market participants are accepting these new higher prices, and even if you get a pullback, the market is likely to continue. But let's just say price hits into the value area high and then quickly moves away. Well, that is what we call rejection. That level is being defended, and you can see that sellers are in control. This helps you frame a trade in the other direction towards the point of control. But for any of this to be valuable to us, we need to know how to find trade entries around it. That way we can execute and not just have theory. And this brings us to the third concept, fair value gaps. A fair value gap is when a candle moves so fast that it leaves a gap between the first and the third candle. This shows you that there is real momentum behind the move. So whenever you see rejection at a value area high and a fair value gap forms, that is your entry. Three concepts, all connected. Master these and you'll change the way that you trade forever. Now, save this video. That way you can come back and study it when you're actually at the charts.